Hey guys, there's the Budgies again. 3 days after you last saw him. Look at the little tiny one here. He's blue. It's going to be all blue by the looks of it. That's a darling. Yeah, yeah. It's a cutie, this one. This is the third. The other one I had was the fourth. But he's getting little blue feathers too, as well as white. It's going to be like his mum or dad. They're a lighter blue than their dad and mum. This is the second oldest. Starting to get blue feathers. He's biting me, as you can see. Look at him biting me. He picked me up. Rah, 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 rah. Killer. Oh, bites. But yeah, she's going blue as well. Or he. And of course he's the oldest. Completely different, aren't you? Completely different to his brothers and sisters. And a green and yellow one we got. See his beautiful nice little wings. They're all huddling up together. It's actually warm today, I don't know why they're doing that. See the blue big one? He's a lot bigger than this one. I'll just put him up to size. Yeah, that one there, the little blue one's the youngest, I'd say. But he's the most pretty. I've never seen one like him. And this one here is going to be an identical little match to this one. That's just a bit behind. But they're healthy and happy. Alright, that's the end of my video. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for looking at the Budgies.